Today we are decorating Blippi cookies. I am Sophia the Hobbit. Draw it, print it, bake it. Time for decorating. First I'm going to draw an outline with a food marker. This makes adding icing easier. Use a light color because sometimes the marker can bleed into the icing. Then I'm going to get my icing, outline every section, and then flood it. Before starting on the glass's frame, wait for the lens's white icing to dry for a few minutes. To get the 3D effect, it needs to be done in sections so the icing can kind of bevel on the edges. Remember, the cookie cutter files are free. Links are below. Download and 3D print them yourself. So when outlining flooding, choose your sections wisely. If you get fresh icing next to wet icing, it will blend into one big blob, and it won't give you the effect you're looking for. Wait for one section to dry a little bit, then add the section next to it. On this cookie, pretty much do the same thing as the first. Draw the bow. Using the icing, outline then flood the cookie. Then, when that dries, in a few minutes, add the bow. If you need recipes, I have my sugar cookie dough and royal icing recipe video links in the description, along with other cookie tutorials. Blippi's main colors are orange and light blue, very bright and very colorful to get kids' attention. I have 3 kids and they each went through a Blippi phase. Fun times, let me tell you. We've thrown about 2 Blippi parties and probably a 3rd one soon. On the shoot, I forgot to draw my outline. So I would not do it this way. I would draw it first and then do the icing. My mistake. I think shoes are so fun, and I don't know why. I just love doing them so much. Okay, that is it for the Blippi cookies. Remember, you can get these cookie cutter files for free. Just download the files and print them yourself. Or get a friend to print them. Or go to the library, they have 3D printers now. It's just 3D printing is the future for cookies, I promise. Twitch shout out for my friend TheGirlWhoBakes. She's very funny, very knowledgeable in cooking, and her stream is a blast. Check her out on Twitch.
It could probably use some more creamer, but I feel like I'm already being judged, so I'm gonna drink it like this.
That's it for Blippi cookies. Thank you for watching.